My name is Noman Badar. Today we will study industrial management. In industrial management, we have 5 units: introduction, functions of management, and work study and inventory control, then quality control and project management. We have discussed introduction, functions of management, work study, and inventory control. These 3 units have been discussed in class. Today I will cover 5 unit, that is project management. So industrial management and its unit will be project management. So project management, in this unit we have project network analysis, CPM part, and project crashing, and then resource labeling. First of all, we will see what is network analysis and what is the how we will define network analysis, what is network analysis, and what are the objectives of network analysis. Okay, so we will cover here network analysis. Objectives of project scheduling. What are the objectives of project scheduling? So number one, why we schedule project. See, we have so many kinds of projects we see in daily life, and the simplest example of making building construction, building. So this is also a project, and in this project we have different activities, like we have foundation making, then we are making columns and beams, then we go for walls, and then we go for, after making walls, then we are making ceilings. There are so many functions in this building, construction of building, and there are so many activities. So construction for building is also a project, and there are so many activities involved in this project. Okay, this is one of a kind of a project. We have so many kinds of project, like making of software making software, and making of any missile and an aircraft, making of dam. So these are different kinds of project. So I have now here I am discussing objectives of project scheduling. What are the objectives? Number one, prepare an optimal project schedule in terms of cost, time, and risk. What is the objective? We want to prepare an optimal project schedule. In which terms? In terms of cost, time, and risk. In any project we have basically 3 important quantities which are involved in the optimization of the project. For example, cost. We focus on cost, what will be the total cost of the project. Then we focus on time, how much time it will take to complete the project. Or risk, and the risk is also involved, like by how much percentage we will get defective items, what are the percentage of defective items, or what will be the risk of crashing of dam, or risk is like risk in terms of materials. So the risk is also involved. So we used to optimize these 3 things: cost, time, and risk. Okay, these are the 3 active things which are needed optimization in project management, project scheduling. Next is, usually it is difficult to optimize 3 variables at the same time. So we have 3 variables. First is cost, then we have time, then we have risk. So it is difficult to optimize all these 3 things at the same time. So what we do, in third point I have mentioned here, thus setting an acceptable limit for 2 of these variables and optimizing the project in terms of third variable. So what we do generally, we set an acceptable limit for 2 things, like cost. We set optimal limit for cost, and then we set risk. We fixed these 2 things, and now we are going to optimize duration. By how much time we are going to finish the project, we will optimize this. We have fixed cost This will be the rough amount of project, approximately anything. We by experience we will fix the cost and we are fixing risk. Then we are going to optimize project duration time. So these are the objectives of project scheduling. Now then we have what is project, how will you define a project, what is project. And a project is a series of activities directed to accomplishment of a desired objective. तो project जो है, what is this? It is nothing but a series of activities. In simple language you will say it is a series of activities. We perform different activities directed to. Why we perform different activities? We perform different activities to complete, to get success in a desired objective. We have certain objective like construction of a dam. So we have this objective. Construction of a dam is our objective. Okay. Construction of a dam is our objective. So this is our desired objective. Then we will complete this objective with different kinds of activities. So this will be known as a project. Project is what? It is a series of activities which is done or which is directed to accomplishment of a desired objective. Here objective can be making of a building, construction of a dam, construction of a road, anything. It can be anything. Project management is, then we have next point. Project management is involved to coordinate and control all activities in an efficient and controlled, cost-effective manner. Project management is involved to coordinate and control. Project management क्या करता है? It is involved in the control and coordination of all project activities. किस तरह कंट्रोल करता है? Project management controls and coordinate all activities in efficient and cost-effective manner. As I have told you earlier, we have three variables in project management. First is cost, then time, then risk. So project management controls and coordinates all objectives, all activities in an efficient and controlled manner. So I have discussed in this part, in this lecture with you, your syllabus. Network analysis I will discuss in next lecture. What are the objectives of project scheduling? Why do we need project scheduling? And these are the objectives. And then I have discussed what is project and what project management do. Okay. In next lecture I will teach you different theories related to project analysis. Then we will do some examples of project analysis and precedence relationship. Thank you.